Well, here we have the Gloucester Mini going. We've got some Mini, that lovely minivan there. Seen these in the last few days at a classic car show. When we haven't got any Minis, they want service repair. We'll actually have a look down here. In the city of Gloucester, got another Mini here. Good little classic, economical collectible here. Usable classic. We also got the Rover 114, which 25,000 miles. That's a Mini Clubman. This was on show, and I think he's got this one for sale as well. K-Reg. Beg your pardon, it's not a 114. It's a Metro. It's a Rover Metro 114. Just before the Metros were renamed the Rover 100. Now this is the coveted top of the range. Expect a velour seat. It's also the automatic. It was a good clean for the car show the other day, but certainly he's probably using it at the moment, so bit of bird mess, but other than that, absolutely fine. Lovely luxury Metro, the Minis as well here.